Chapter 4. Food. What food is? Any substance that we eat to get energy is called food. All living things need food. Food keeps us healthy and fit. Our body is like a machine and it needs energy to do work. The energy comes from the food that we eat. Food is essential for our growth. Are you aware? Food is one of our 3 basic needs, the other 2 being our clothes and houses. Preparation of food. We eat both cooked and uncooked food items. Most fruits like mango, apple, papaya, banana, and orange are eaten raw. Some vegetables like carrot, tomato, onion, radish, cabbage, etc. are also eaten raw. Pulses and cereals are eaten after cooking them. Cooking makes the food soft and tasty. Cooked food is easy to digest. Cooking also kills the germs in the food. Some food items last longer when they are cooked. Different food items are cooked by different methods. Some of them are given below. Boiling. Cooking in water by heating is called boiling. Rice and pulses are boiled in water. Vegetables, fish, eggs and meat can also be boiled. Baking. Cooking food using dry heat in an oven is called baking. Bread and cakes are baked. Roasting. When we cook food directly over fire or in an oven is called roasting. Corn and papad are often roasted. Vegetables and chicken can also be roasted. Frying. Cooking food in hot oils is called frying. Pakoras and puris are cooked by this method. Steaming. When we cook the food with the help of steam, it is called steaming. Momos and idlis are steamed. Good habits for preparation of food. We should use neat and clean utensils for cooking the food to keep the food away from germs. We should wash the fruits and vegetables with clean water before cutting them. We should cook food at a proper temperature. Overcooking destroys the nutrients of the food. We should cook the food at a clean place. We should take required amount of water for boiling the food items. We should always cover the cooked food to keep it safe from germs and flies. Preservation of food. After some time, the cooked food gets spoiled by germs, bacteria and molds. This food is harmful for our health, so we should not consume such unhygienic food. We should preserve food and avoid wasting it. The way of treating food to store it for a long time without getting spoiled is called preservation of food. There are many ways to preserve food. Some of them are given below. Boiling. Liquid food items can be preserved by boiling method. Boiling at high temperature kills germs. For example, milk can be kept safe for long period by boiling point. Drying or dehydration. Drying or dehydration is a method in which water is removed completely from the food items to preserve them for a long time. Vegetables, fruits, fish, and meat are preserved using this method. Rice, pulses, and wheat get spoiled due to moisture. They should be stored in moisture-free containers as bacteria and other germs cannot grow without moisture. Canning. In canning method, food items are preserved by packing them in airtight containers, tins and jars. Vegetables, fruits, pickles, meat, fish, sweet, etc. are preserved by canning. All the food items which are preserved by canning are free from bacteria because bacteria do not grow in the absence of air and moisture. Freezing or refrigeration. Freezing is the method of keeping food items at 0-degree temperature. Refrigerators are used to preserve the food items like vegetables, fruits, eggs, milk, bread, and cooked food as germs do not grow at very low temperature. Sweetening. Sugar is a good preservative. Fruits like apples, guava, mangoes, etc. are preserved in the form of jams, jellies, candies, and murabbas. Thus, fruits are kept safe for a long time. Salting. Like sugar, salt is also a good preservative. Some fruits, vegetables, meat and fish are preserved in the form of pickles by adding salt to them. Thus, they are preserved for a long time. In this way, we avoid wasting our food items by preserving them carefully. But it is better to use fresh food items in place of preserved ones because they have more nutritional value. Are you aware? 1 gram of fat gives us 9 calories energy, while 1 gram of carbohydrate gives us only 4 calories. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade and freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. Things I have learned. All living things need food. Food keeps us healthy and fit. We eat both cooked and uncooked food items. Cooking keeps the food safe for a short time only. There are many ways to preserve food. They are boiling, drying, canning, sweetening, freezing, and salting.